Hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. But bear this in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me.
I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You've never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I'll love them endlessly.
I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things.
You can't go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me.
I know you never loved the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth, but if it's true, it's you, it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things you'll never love.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you didn't know, we do custom choreographies. This is one example of a custom choreography that we created for 2 of our students. So what you can do is send us your song and information on what you're looking for, and we create the wedding dance of your dreams. So you can check out the 2 package options we offer below. And we also sell this choreography now individually, so you can check that out if you want to learn this step by step on our website for your dance. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
And I've just let these little things slip out of my mouth, 'cause it's you.